What's up, everybody? This is Jalen from Pit Cartel. We're going to be replacing the hood struts on this Acura 2005. Let's get started. Now, unfortunately, both of mine are gone, so I recommend putting a clip on one side just to hold the hood up real quick so we can focus on one side at a time. Now, you want to take a flat head and you just want to pry this up and pull at the same time. They're just going to pop right off. It's going to be the same way for the other side too as well. Now, it looks like the clip I had on that side was kind of hindering it for the hood open up all the way for me. So let's go ahead and get it propped up with something, a large stick or something. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this side done, same way. Pry these tabs open and then pry this tab open, and it just popped back on. So the new ones pop back in. You don't have to pull the tabs. And boom, all good to go. Thanks for watching.